My name is Youngsan and I'm working for Zalesia. And Zalesia is a company in South Korea. So we are basically building software for our customer at their specific needs. And we leverage software like KNIME to build the system. So before KNIME, we had to offer several platforms, maybe like dashboard and data pre-processing and data analysis. It was kind of burdensome because they had to install like all software and all platform and manage all of those. But with KNIME, we could offer a single platform. One of the things our customers really enjoy and can benefit from is KNIME community. There are a lot of workflows and a lot of answers that they need. If our customers are facing a problem, they can simply go KNIME community and see like how others people solve the problem. In this market, there is always like new things coming along. Every day there's a new technique, like new data type, like new framework. You have to learn those things, like new programming language and new data type. But in KNIME, you can just simply adapt a new node to use it. It's really simple and easy. So I think like those two things are really great things. Those things really make KNIME stand out as partners and competitors.